Spot trading and futures trading are two trading methods that are essential to understand when entering the world of cryptocurrency. In this tutorial, I'll explain these concepts in simple terms, so you can navigate the cryptocurrency markets on Binance with confidence. For those who would like to use Binance on their PC, be sure to stick around until the end, because there's a piece of information for you later in the video. But before we get started, click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest updates. For those familiar with my videos, as I always mention, an important thing that you should note is that you have to create and maintain a Binance account to access the platform's services. If you're finding it difficult to open an account, don't worry, because I've made videos on that, so be sure to check it out. When opening your Binance account, I want you to pay attention to the option that says Referral ID. If you use my referral ID, T7J9MB5J, you'll get an extra 20% off on the trading rates you have to pay for every trade that you make on the exchange. All you have to do to get that 20% off is to go to the Referral ID drop-down and click on it. After that, a field will open where you'll type in my referral code. I will also leave the code in the description below. Once you use my referral code, you'll get an extra 20% off your trading fees, which could end up being a lot of money, especially if you are planning to do a lot of trading on Binance. So, spot trading is one of the simplest ways to engage with digital currencies. When you engage in spot trading on Binance, you are directly buying or selling cryptocurrencies at their current market price. Think of it like shopping, where you choose what you want from the shelves and make an instant purchase. Once your order goes through, you immediately own the cryptocurrency. You can then decide to keep your coins, use them for transactions, or sell them later if their value rises. Spot trading is a great choice for beginners because of its simplicity and ease of use. It gives you direct ownership of the cryptocurrencies you buy, putting full control of your assets in your hands. Now let's take a look at futures trading. Futures trading is a way to speculate on the price movement of cryptocurrencies by agreeing to buy or sell at a fixed price on a future date. With this method, you're predicting whether the price of a cryptocurrency will go up or down. Once the agreed upon date arrives, the trade happens at the price set in the contract, no matter what the actual market value is at that moment. Futures trading provides an exciting way to boost your potential gains by using leverage, which allows you to control a larger position with a smaller investment. This can significantly increase your profits if the market moves in your favor. However, it's important to keep in mind that with the possibility of higher rewards comes greater risk. Effective risk management and careful planning are crucial to navigating these opportunities safely. The key difference between spot and futures trading is in the timing and potential for leverage. Spot trading takes place immediately at the current market price, while futures trading is based on contracts that set a price and date for a transaction in the future. Futures trading also allows for leverage, which enables traders to control larger positions with smaller capital. It's worth noting, though, that both spot and futures trading offer unique benefits and support different trading strategies. Starting with spot trading is crucial, as it is a great way to familiarize yourself with the crypto markets and gain a better understanding of the assets you're holding. You should also keep in mind that all trading carries risks. It's important to research, plan your strategy carefully, and only invest what you're willing to lose. With time, practice, and a good understanding of both spot and futures trading, you'll gain confidence in navigating Binance's crypto markets. Now, for those who would like to explore Binance on their PC, the Binance app for PC is a desktop application that lets users trade cryptocurrencies on the exchange directly from their computer. You can access both spot and futures trading from the main dashboard. To start spot trading, navigate to the Markets tab, select the cryptocurrency pair you wish to trade, and execute your trade directly from the buy or sell options. For futures trading, click on the Derivatives tab, select your desired contract, and enter your position size and leverage options before placing the trade. Be sure to explore these features to make the most of your trading experience on Binance's PC version. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to use my referral code when opening your Binance account to enjoy 20% off your trading fees on the platform. As I said earlier, I will leave the code in the description below. We also have more tutorials on the way, so be sure to turn on notifications. In the meantime, you can check out our previous videos.